Hey guys, welcome to today's video where I'll be giving you a room tour of the Disney Polynesian Resort Bungalows. This lobby has undergone a lot of changes. Before there used to be a waterfall there, which was my favorite thing in the world, but it's no longer there, but the lobby is still really pretty. They have the Moana Mercantile where you can get your usual snacks, milk, anything that you need, as well as medicine, and there's obviously a lot of merch. And this is the lobby. I think it's absolutely beautiful, and then when you turn around, you will see the outside area. I'll walk you towards to the pool. I would like to note that over to the left, you can get Dole Whip over there. I didn't show you very well. And there's also Captain Cook's where, oh my god, one of my favorite things that they have over there is the coconut meatballs with rice. It is so freaking good. So if you're able to check it out, definitely do so. As you can see to the right, we have the normal resort rooms. There's also another area for DVC villas, and then there's an extra area where the bungalows are. Something important I'd like to note is the fact that the Polynesian does not have their own gym, so you actually have to walk to the Grand Floridian and use theirs. It's that white and red building that was in the background. It's not that far of a walk from our bungalow over there. Was about 15 minutes, but that's because we're one of the last bungalows, but it was a really nice walk, so it's not too horrible. The further you get away from the lobby, I swear you are transported away from Disney World and just into peace and relaxation. I believe this area is called Bora Bora. I've never been, but this is how I envision it would look like. And the best part is the fact that you still feel like you're at Disney once you walk out onto your deck and you can see the Magic Kingdom castle, you can see the monorails, you can see all the ferry boats going from the TTC to the park, so it's the perfect combination. And I will stop talking right now so you guys can keep enjoying this room tour in peace. The next couple of videos alternate between portrait mode and landscape mode, but I wanted to show you guys the pool area. It's actually cold water, so it's a pool, unlike the Wilderness Lodge cabin, which was a jacuzzi, if you haven't seen the video. These are the coconut meatballs that I was telling you guys from Captain Cook's. It is so amazing, and I got to eat while I was staring at the castle before my first summer class of law school. And after I enjoyed the rays and just relaxed, I was definitely enjoying the sunset, and it was so nice because you will see that the otter parade actually passes by right in front of us, and they actually do an announcement saying hi and mahalo to everybody here. So it's so nice, and then you get an amazing view from the fireworks. So I'll show you guys. Some clips aren't the best quality because of the darkness, and also my phone was a little bit dirty, but I still want to show you guys that you have the best fireworks view in your hotel room without having to deal with the hustle and bustle of the theme parks. Like I said, I know it's horrible quality, but it was an indescribable moment that not even a video could show you how amazing it was, and I'm so happy that we got to experience it. If you're able to check it out, definitely do so. This is the view from the finale of the fireworks from our pool, and like I said, this has been my favorite room that we've stayed at. If you haven't checked out the other room tours, I will link them at the end of this video so you can check them out. And thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!